Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to review the controls on your TrueBond veterinary centrifuge. Controls Overview, TrueBond. Your TrueBond has all of its controls right here on the front panel. The Start button starts the centrifuge running the currently selected cycle. Menu allows you to save new cycles, edit existing saved cycles, and set things like audible alerts. Stop Unlock stops the centrifuge if it is running. If the centrifuge is not running, pressing Stop Unlock will unlock the centrifuge lid, allowing you to turn the lid latch a quarter turn counterclockwise and access the rotor chamber and any samples inside. The arrows next to the display screen cycle through currently saved cycles. If you want to run a different saved cycle from the one currently displayed, simply press the up and down arrows until the desired cycle name shows on screen. Now that we're familiar with the buttons, let's dive a little deeper and learn how to access the controls for cycle speed, cycle time, braking, audible alerts, and cycle name adjustment. Press the Menu button to enter adjustment mode. From this screen, you can scroll through several menu options. Pressing Stop Unlock will scroll to the next option. Pressing Start will scroll to the previous option. Pressing Menu again will save all changes made so far and exit. We're going to start with the speed, which is the first setting when you enter this menu. Press Stop Unlock once. The number next to RPM should begin flashing, indicating that setting is currently selected. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust the speed. The current value on the screen will update as you adjust. This screen also displays RCF, which is G-force, if you prefer to measure by G-force instead of RPMs. Once your desired speed is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see a flashing number and the word minutes. This indicates you are now editing time, which is measured in minutes. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust the time. The current value on the screen will update as you adjust. Once your desired time is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see the word braking and a number or the word off. This indicates you are now editing braking. The braking setting controls whether braking is applied to slow the centrifuge rotor down after it is finished spinning your samples. Brake values can be set anywhere from off, no braking, to 10, maximum braking. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust the braking. The current value on the screen will update as you adjust. Once your desired braking is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see Tube displayed on screen. This tells the centrifuge which tube holders you are running. There are two settings, either the blue tube holder, BLU 100 mm, or the orange tube holder, ORN 125 mm. If you are using the microtainer or the microhematocrit adapters inside the blue tubes, the blue tube setting should be used. This setting allows the centrifuge to accurately calculate the G-force for your given tube. Adjust this to match the tubes you plan to use for your chosen cycle. The centrifuge can run the blue tube holders on the orange tube holder setting and vice versa, but we recommend matching this setting to the tube holders you plan to use if possible. Once your tube holder setting is as desired, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see the word beeper and either off or on. This indicates you are now editing beeper, which controls the audible alerts on the TrueBond. Beeper is a toggle. Audible alerts can either be turned on or turned off. If on, the centrifuge will beep at the end of a cycle and beep when buttons are being pressed. If it is off, the centrifuge will not have any audible alerts at all. Beeper is a universal setting. Audible alerts are either on or off for all cycles. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to toggle the audible alert setting on or off. The screen will show the status on or off, and update dynamically as you adjust it. The centrifuge will run with the selected audible alert setting until that setting is changed. Since it's a toggle, switch it back using the same process we just discussed, but make sure it's either off or on as desired. Once your desired audible alert is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see the name of the cycle displayed. This indicates that you are editing the cycle name. Name is edited character by character. Your currently selected character is indicated by the letter flashing, or by a flashing rectangle if blank. Use the Start and Stop Unlock buttons to move between different characters in the name. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust each character as desired. Once your name is set, press Menu to save all your changes and exit. Your centrifuge will automatically select the cycle you just finished editing and queue it up to run. And that's it for our TrueBond controls overview. If you have any other questions about your TrueBond, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.